Hi friends. This video will teach us to create websites using Visual Studio 2022. Open Visual Studio Installer. Choose ASP.NET Web Development. I forgot to add additional project templates, but be sure to add it. I don't use live share or debugging with WSL, it's completely optional. Create a blank solution. Create or open a folder for your website. If you receive this error, simply click on Update and continue. Right-click on the website and click Add New Item. Here you can add your HTML, CSS or JavaScript. Adding some text to our website. Save the solution anywhere you want. Let's run our website. Our website is up and running.